this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet the strawberry stitch, and this is my sample that I've made with red. I'm going to show you a few samples I made in different colors. When I switch colors to purple, the berries turn into blackberries, and then of course blueberries if you change to blue, and finally into pink you have raspberries. And today I'm going to show you how to crochet this stitch, and then you can choose any color you like to make your own. Let's get started. These are the materials you will need. These are the abbreviations I used. The written pattern is in the description. We start with red, and we're gonna make multiples of 4 chains. This is the multiplier for the strawberry stitch. My starting chain will be 20. And we start row 1 from this point on. Row 1 starts with a single crochet into the second chain from hook. And then we're gonna make a single crochet in every single stitch until the end of the row. And this is your first row. Chain 1, now and turn, and we're going to continue with the second row. And into the second row we're going to make 3 single crochet, like this, and then we're going to make into the next stitch 5 double crochet, and this will be our berries. And this is how it looks like. And this is your repeat section: 3 single crochet followed by 5 double crochet into the next stitch. So let me show you again, one more repeat: 3 single crochet, and then into the next 5 double crochet. And repeat this section right here until you have 3 stitches left. Once you have 3 stitches left, make a single crochet in each. And this is your second row. It will be a bit curly because we have the 5 double crochet in those stitches, but it will flatten as you make more rows. So now we continue with green. Bring the green yarn and let's join it. And I chose to cut and finish with my red yarn, but you can continue by crocheting over it to the other side. My advice will be to cut the yarn and join the other side. So pull the green through, pull the red loop closed, and then chain 1 to lock the green yarn. And now we turn and we start our row 3. Single crochet in next 3 stitches. So, and then next we will make a single crochet 5 together. And a single crochet 5 together means you will be turning 5 stitches into 1, and to make it you are inserting your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, leave it on your hook, into the next stitch, pull up a loop, and we do so into the next 5 stitches in total. So you'll be having 6 loops on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. And this is how you make a single crochet 5 together. Now to continue with our berry, we chain 1 and make a longer loop, and into that last double crochet where we worked we are going to slip stitch, and this is our berry. Now into the next 3 stitches we single crochet, and this is our repeat section right here: single crochet 5 together, chain 1, slip stitch into the last double crochet below, followed by 3 single crochet. Repeat this until the end of the row. Let me show you one more repeat. We make a single crochet 5 together, 6 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through all, and this is our single crochet 5 together. Then chain 1 and make a longer loop and slip stitch into that last work stitch. So not a new stitch, it's the last stitch you pull the loop from. And this is another berry followed by 3 single crochet. And continue until the end of the row. And this is our third row. And now you can see the berries and the green tops. And this is how it looks like from the back. It's pretty flat. And now again, you can choose to crochet over your green yarn and bring it to the other side, or cut it and continue from there. I will cut it. You're gonna end up with a lot of ends, but you can crochet a border around your work, and then that will mask the ends. Okay, so now to start round 4, we bring the red back. We change the colors the same way. Chain 1 just to lock the yarn. Pull those loops tight. And now we turn and continue. And now these next 2 rows are pretty much the same as this, except we are going to offset these berries so they will fall in between the berries below. And to do that, we start with 1 single crochet, and then into the next we make our 5 double crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And from here it's pretty much the same as the other round. We need 3 single crochet, so single crochet next. Now skip the next stitch and into the next another single crochet, skip the next stitch and into the next make a single crochet. So now we have made 3, and again 5 double crochet into the next. And if you notice that 5 double crochet stitches fall right in the middle stitch of the 3 single crochet you made below, so that will be right here in the middle. We will create another berry. So 5 double crochet stitches, and this is our repeat section. Single crochet, skip the stitch, single crochet, skip the stitch, single crochet, and then 5 double crochet into the next. And we repeat this all across the row until we have 1 stitch left. Let me show you again one more repeat where to skip the stitches. So into the next single crochet, and then as you look from the top, that loop there, that stitch we skip, and into the next single crochet, another stitch, this one here we're gonna skip, and into the next single crochet, and then into the next we make 5 double crochet, and just keep repeating this until you have 1 stitch left. So now we have 1 stitch left after we made our 5 double crochet in 1 stitch, and into that stitch we're gonna make a single crochet, and we are done with round 4. This is how it looks like. Again, we have a lot of stitches because of this 5 double crochet in each stitch, so it will curve down, but once we do the green row it will straighten again. So let's cut the yarn for the red, and we're gonna bring the green, pull it through the loop, pull the red loop, lock the yarn by chaining 1, and now we can continue. Turn, and we start our 5th row by making a single crochet. Make sure those loops are tight, and then this is pretty much exactly like the previous one. We're gonna make a 5 single crochet together, so pull 5 loops, 1 from each double crochet below. You'll end up with 6 loops, and then yarn over, pull through all, chain 1, and then make a loop, a longer loop, and we're gonna slip stitch into this last double crochet where we worked, and then of course pull the berry towards you on a out, and then into the next 3 stitches we're gonna single crochet. And then again single crochet 5 together, yarn over, pull through all, chain 1, make a longer loop, slip stitch into the last double crochet below, and again another berry is formed. And now this is your repeat section, 3 single crochet followed by single crochet 5 together and a chain 1 with a slip stitch, and repeat this all the way until the end of the round, until you have 1 stitch left. So 3 single crochet and then single crochet 5 together, yarn over, pull through all, chain 1, make a long loop, slip stitch in last double crochet, and another berry done, and do that until you have 1 stitch left. When you have 1 stitch left, make a single crochet in it, and we are done with row 5. This is how it looks like. Some of the berries will not pop up, so you can just push them in, and this is how the 5th row looks like. You can see now how the berries are nested in between the ones below. Round 6 we change again colors to red, and then we turn, and pretty much the same as row 3 we make 3 single crochet. By making a single crochet in the first stitch, we skip the next stitch, then into the next another single crochet, skip another stitch, and into the next another single crochet. So 3 single crochet followed by 5 double crochet into the next stitch, and we repeat this until the end of the row. So when you have 3 single crochet left, 3 stitches left into the row, I'm gonna make 3 single crochet like this: single crochet, skip the stitch, single crochet, skip the stitch, single crochet. At the end we're gonna make our 3 single crochet. You will have 5 stitches left, so after the 5 double crochet in 1 stitch, single crochet into next, skip the next stitch, and then into the next single crochet, skip the next stitch, single crochet in last. And this is our row 6. Row 7, switch to green, and after this I'll show you the repeat rows. Chain to lock it and turn, and this is just like the other ones. Single crochet into next 3 stitches, then single crochet 5 together, like this, chain 1, make a longer loop and slip stitch into the last DC, pop the berry forward, and then single crochet next 3 stitches, and repeat this section. Single crochet 5 together, chain 1, slip stitch, and then 3 single crochet until the end of the row. And this is how row 7 looks like, and this is your repeat rows for you to make this as big as you like. Repeat rows 4, 5, 6, and 7 until you have the desired length to your work. And this is how it looks like once you make a lot of stitches. You might have to block it, it's a bit curly, so you might have to block your work, but it will straighten as you make more and more rows. And if you change colors, you can create different berries. For example, blackberries if you change to purple, blueberries if you change colors to blue, and raspberries if you change to pink. And I guess you can call this the berry stitch, not just the strawberry stitch. But yeah, this is how you crochet the strawberry stitch. If you have any questions about this pattern, put them in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to answer you. Happy crocheting!